Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing a very quick demo of how the Fibonacci series or the Fibonacci problem works. So let me give an introduction of how it is. So basically Fibonacci series is kind of a sequence in which the sum of the two preceding numbers is equal to the next number. For example, you have 1 and 1 here, so the next number would be the addition of these two numbers, which is 2. And next, if we consider the next set, which will be 1 plus 2, which is 3, then 2 plus 3 is 5, and 3 plus 5 is 8, then 8 plus 5 is 13, and it is kind of a series in which we are having we can do it for infinite numbers in the sense we can have the limit till the nth element of which is required to us. So now let's go back, and as of now I'm using an online compiler. So yeah, let me show let me give a description of how the program works. So we have our class as Fibonacci example 1. You can keep it as anything as of what is what feasible for you guys. Then we have our PSVM, that is public static void main, and then we are initializing the integers which we'll be using into our project, that is n1, n2 and n3. Why I have considered 3 integers as the set is in case like the addition of these the addition of n1 and n2 will be giving the value of n3, and I have set the count, which is kind of my upper limit, to 15 numbers as of now. 15 counts as of now. So now first what I'll do is, first, since I need not change any of the values of the first two digits of this series, that is 0 and 1, so I am initially printing out the value of n1 and n2 before I get into my loop. So once this n1, the value of n1 and n2 is getting printed, that is the value of 0 and 1 is getting printed, next I will get into another loop which will be iterating over the count of 15. So here first I have my I have the value of I as when the value of I would be equal to 2, and the value of I, and the other condition is that the value of I should be less than the count, that is 15. Then I will be having an incremental function wherein in my loop the value of n3 would be the concatenated value of n1 and n2. For example, let me give a very quick example. Yeah. Where do I find the marker here? Okay, so for example, I have 0 and 1. So the addition of these two numbers is 1. Similarly, if I have the numbers as 2 and 3, the answer would be 5. Okay, and next, if in case I have 5 and 7, the answer of this would be, yes, 12. So now similarly, if I have 12 and 13, the next number, so obviously the answer of this would be 25. Okay, so now 25 and 26 will give me an answer of 51. Fine. So similarly, this series of numbers is called as Fibonacci series. So we need not worry so much in complex, because this is an easy concept to understand. And yeah, next what is happening is that I'm printing out the value of n3, and here I've added two empty spaces so that the value of n1 and n2 doesn't collide, and we don't get confused with the misconcatenated values. And then it also helps in formatting. After that, I print the value of n3. Now the value of n1 would become n2, and the value of n2 would become n3 as it has to iterate over the next number. And this is the end of the program. It is a simple program. You guys can try it out. If you guys need any help, you can directly DM me over my email or any such thing like that. And then when I run the project, run my program, you can see that I have a series of numbers wherein the first number is 0, and then I have 1. The addition of 0 and 1 gives me 1, then addition of 1 and 2 gives me 3. 1 and 2 gives me 3, then 2 and 3 gives 5, 5 and 8 gives 13, and 13 and 21 gives 34, and respectively it proceeds in the sum. Do let me know in the comment section if there are any doubts left. I would surely be happy to solve it out. And don't forget to like my video and even subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell notification so that if there is any new topic which we are going to learn, you will be the first person to hear it out from me. Thank you guys. Have a great day.